Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Living Irving. It's your girl Tanya. In today's video, I wanted to come and review this blush by NARS.
Welcome to the Living Irving channel. Welcome to the Living Irving channel.
This is the color Exhibit A by NARS. And when I tell you this color looks so intimidating, let me go ahead and swatch it on my finger. Come on now, if you're not used to makeup, would you not be afraid of this color? Anyways, let's go ahead and test this blush out. Exhibit A. And I've seen some amazing results with this blush, but I'm going to try it for myself. So I just dipped a little bit into the palette on my Real Techniques blush brush. I'm just going to tap it on right here at the highest point of my cheek, because I just want a little hint of blush. Then I'm going to bring the rest around to the apple of my cheek and just kind of roll it. And this is all in one swatch. And just look at how beautiful that is. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side and just tap it on there. I don't like a lot of blush, and if this is too much blush for you, take your beauty blender that has your foundation on it and kind of dab over your blush to just mute it down some. So take it down. And then, of course, you can spray a setting spray on your face and that'll help set that blush. But look at how beautiful Exhibit A by NARS is. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning. And this blush was super easy to blend out, and it was just so easy to work with and just dab it on my cheeks and get the right payoff. So I love this blush. It is gorgeous and it is not as intimidating as it looks. NARS, you hit it on the nail with your blushes. I really love Exhibit A, and thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in another one. Bye.
Could you ask for? Baby, I'm a hot, sexy